Imagine a company so powerful that even the richest country in the world depends on it. A company that silently controls the global economy, influencing governments, shaping financial policies, and managing trillions of dollars without most people even knowing its name. That company is BlackRock. Like this video if you want to know about BlackRock. BlackRock is a company so powerful that even the richest country in the world, the United States, turns to it for help. Whether it was the 2008 economic crisis or the 2020 COVID-19 pandemic, whenever America's dominance has been questioned, BlackRock has emerged as a savior for the country. But it's not just the USA. Today, BlackRock manages over $10 trillion in assets worldwide. To put this into perspective, India, currently the world's fifth largest economy with a GDP of $3.7 trillion, is overshadowed by BlackRock. This company manages assets worth more than 2.5 times that amount. When top global companies or even nations need financial support, they turn to BlackRock. It essentially operates like a shadow bank. This company has influence over everything, from the food we eat and the water we drink to the medicines we take when we fall sick. During the Russia-Ukraine war, when Ukraine's economy was on the verge of collapse, President Zelensky handed over control of the country's financial funds directly to BlackRock. Despite its vast influence, many people have never even heard of this company. This is because BlackRock deliberately avoids media attention, ensuring that its controversial dealings remain hidden. It also holds stakes in many of the world's top media outlets, preventing its actions from coming under public scrutiny. In today's video, we will explore BlackRock's immense power, how it has taken control of almost every economic activity worldwide, how even developed nations turn to it for help during economic downturns, and how it operates like a real-life Illuminati. We will also address a major question: how does BlackRock hire top US government officials and influence them to create laws in its favor, making it even richer? Before diving deeper, let's first understand the history of BlackRock and its founder, Larry Fink. This will help us see how the company became the king of global finance in such a short time. Larry Fink was born into an ordinary Jewish family in the US. He had a strong interest in finance and the stock market. He realized early on that financial power was even greater than political power. In 1976, he started working as a securities trader at First Boston, an American investment firm. Within just 8 years, he was promoted to managing director at the age of 31. Under his leadership, the company earned $1 billion in profits. However, in 1986, a small calculation mistake led to a $100 million loss, and Fink was forced out of the company. This was a major setback, but he decided he would never work for anyone else again. Soon after, he partnered with Stephen Schwarzman, the founder of Blackstone, who recognized Fink's potential. Schwarzman provided him with $5 million in funding, and along with 7 other partners, Fink launched Blackstone Financial Management in 1988. This was essentially the foundation of BlackRock. The company grew rapidly, managing $53 billion in assets by 1994. However, in the same year, Schwarzman exited the company, selling his 35% stake for just $240 million. A decision he later regretted because that stake would be worth over $50 billion today. Despite this, Larry Fink continued to expand the business. He renamed the company BlackRock and launched its first IPO in 1999 at $14 per share, raising $900 million. Within months, the company was managing $165 billion in assets. Fink then began acquiring competing firms to eliminate competition. In 2006, BlackRock acquired Merrill Lynch Investment Management, and in 2009, it took over Barclays Global Investors. From that point onward, BlackRock never looked back. Today, BlackRock is considered the most powerful asset management firm in the world. It manages funds for governments, corporations, and institutions. The company handles insurance funds, pension funds, bonds, securities, stocks, and even real estate investments. It operates in over 100 countries now, with offices in 38 nations and more than 89 global locations. BlackRock currently manages over $10 trillion in assets, an amount greater than the GDP of every country, except the US and China. Despite its immense power, BlackRock remains largely out of the public eye. This is intentional. Larry Fink ensures that media coverage of BlackRock is minimal to avoid scrutiny. And BlackRock owns significant stakes in major media outlets, including Fox News, CBS, with a 16% stake, and Comcast, with a 13% stake. By controlling the media, BlackRock ensures that its controversial actions remain hidden from the public. BlackRock is not just a financial firm, it is a global powerhouse, influencing governments, industries, and economies worldwide. It operates like a real-life Illuminati, strategically positioning itself to gain financial and political control. Would you trust a company with this much power? Let us know in the comments.